Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to install Delta Force on your PC, and it will be a step-by-step video. Whether it is the classic Delta Force or the new Delta Force Hawk Ops, this will help you get started. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, decide which version you want: classic Delta Force 1998 to 2003, like Delta Force 1 to Land Warrior or Black Hawk Down, or the new Delta Force Hawk Ops, the modern reboot announced by Tencent. So if you want the old school game, the easiest way through Steam or GOG. Just open the Steam or go to the GOG.com, search Delta Force or Delta Force Collection. So here let's search for Delta and let's hit enter, and you will get to see your Delta Force in here. Then you just need to buy the game, then click install from your library. So here let's open this one. Here actually you can see this one is completely free. You just need to click over here, Delta Force. Once you click over here, you can see it is working on the way. So you just need to go over here and just click on play game, free to play. You just need to play over that place. Once you click over here, then it will give you the option. So now you just need to install this one. So let's select local disk, and you can see the size is 94.9. so if you're installing Delta Force Hawk Ops, go to the official website, search Delta Force Hawk Ops on the Google site, for an account if needed, and click download or install when the PC version is available. For all the one is instruction to install the game client. So that's it for today. Now you know how to install Delta Force on PC, whether it is the classic version or the new Hawk Ops. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe, and drop comment telling me which Delta Force gaming is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Have a good day.